Hello there, artist Eric Wilson here. This is just a look around my studio. That was one of my space paintings, another one there. This is the rainforest that I've done for my third DVD. And on the easel here you can see my portrait of the man from Rajasthan in India. Beautiful, colourful people there, rich colours. I couldn't resist doing this one in pastel. It's a pastel on pastel mat. You can get very beautiful fine detail in pastel. So I love to do portraits in pastel. I'm primarily a wildlife artist. I do landscape, wildlife art. This is the rainforest scene that you saw framed a moment ago. I filmed the entire process from beginning to end for a DVD, which I'm almost finished editing. So as soon as it's ready, I'll let people know on here. Also, another DVD that I might be producing is this oil painting DVD of a portrait that I did lately. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little taster of a portrait in oils. I do like to do oil painting portraits. They take longer, but they're very rewarding at the end. And this was a chap called Guy Milner, fantastic character. And yeah, it was a pleasure to do. But as I say, most of the time I'm doing wildlife art. This was a recent one, which I was quite pleased with. It's pastel on pastel mat again. Of a lioness that was on display where I sold it at the exhibition of wildlife art last year. So I'm going to put a lot more videos like this out, and hopefully a lot better ones when I get the hang of the editing. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button.